Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? Fine? Yes, I'm fine too. Before we start our lesson today, I will ask you, how's your day? Very good? I hope you stay healthy, stay safe, and stay at home. And don't forget to wash your hands. Nah, because you save my video, I will give you some knowledge about color and fruits. This is a clue. Yes, we will play games finding each color of fruits. It's so funny. It's I hear it's so bored. Stay at home, right? Eat, sleep, and repeat. Eat, sleep, and repeat. Nah. In this video, I will give you a knowledge and play the game, and it's so funny. Jadi kakak bakalan bukan ngajarin sih, lebih ke memberi kalian beberapa ilmu buat kalian yang belum mengenal warna dalam bahasa Inggris. Warna in English is color. Colors. Can you spell it? Colors. Yes, colors. You can see that this is have some of colors, right? You can see that. Yes, this is some of colors. We can try to spell it. Listen to me before you try to spell it. Listen to me. Red. You can spell it. Loudly again. Red. Yes, you're right. Second, brown. Try. Brown. Spell it again. Brown. Yes, you're right. And next, what's the color is? Can you try to spell it? Yes, you're right. Purple. You know what the colors in Indonesia? Yes, you're right again. Ungu. Next, what's the color is? Kuning. In English? Lovely. Yes, yellow. And last but not least, you can see that? What's the color is? Orange. Yes, you're right. Yeah, I think you know what the colors of the sums of colors is. Yes, you're right. You're so smart. Nah, after we know about the colors in English, yes, after we know, we will play the games. What the game is? Yes, finding the match colors of fruits. It's here so funny, right? Yes. First, I will give you some vocabulary about fruits. You know fruits in Indonesia? Yes. Apa? Buah, yes. Buah-buahan. You can spell it fruits. Fruits. This is have kinds of fruits, right? Have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 fruits. First, I will give you examples to spell these fruits. What it is? What it is? Yes, you're right. You can spell it slowly. Yes, you're right. Coconut. Coconut. In Indonesia, kelapa. Next, what the fruit is? Yes, you're right. It is banana. Banana. Next, what the fruit is? Yes, you're right. Grape. Grape. In Indonesia, anggur. What fruit is? What the fruit is? Yes, you're right. Orange. Orange. Orange in Indonesia is jeruk. And last but not least, wow, the color is red. Apple. Yes, you're right. Yes. Yeah. I don't give you spelling over this fruit of some of fruits. I will give you a game. You can play games with the finding color of fruits. Kita mencocokkan warna yang ada di buah-buahan. Penasaran kan gimana caranya? Gini. What's the color of coconut? What's the colors of coconuts? Ayo. Before we learned about this, we learned about colors. Are you remember that? Are you remember that? Yes, you're right. Brown. This color of coconut is brown. Yes, you're right. This is brown. Yes. First, you're right. Second, banana. What's the colors of banana? Shining, shimmering, splendid. You know what's the colors of banana? Yes, you're right again. Yellow. Yellow. Yes, you're right. Tap in this under banana. Yellow. You're right. Third. Wow. What's the colors of this? Yes, you're right. This is grape. The color of grape is purple. Yes, you're right. Let's tap and this under like purple. Yes, you're right again. the colors of orange? Before we start our lesson about fruits, we learn about colors. This name seems like before. Seems like color before. Yes, you're right. Orange. Let's step in this paper. Yes, you're right. You're right again. Orange, orange. Orange seems like colors and seems like the name of fruits. Orange. And last, you can see that. Whoa. What's the colors of this fruit? Yes, you're right again. I think you learn so fast. Yeah? Yes, step like here. Red. Yes. Yeah. You done. You done from this game. Yes. The name of this media is the flash poster match. You can make it at home with the stationery, anyone else, or it's like you only need three, only need 5 things: paper, print the pictures, glue, and scissors. Yes, you're right. Yes. I think this is I think that's all for this video. Semoga video ini bermanfaat untuk kalian semua, dan semoga selama kita ada di rumah kita bisa tetap belajar, tetap giat belajar, tetap bisa beraktivitas walaupun hanya di rumah saja. Kita tetap bisa meraih cita-cita kita, dan semoga kita tetap sehat selama kita di rumah aja. And don't forget again, wash your hands, get away germs. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.